today, Mike?
We're going to build a...
Whoa, what's Mike doing? Oh, he's cutting down a tree.
Because we're stuck here and we can't travel overseas, we're doing some modifications. We had a tree cut down yesterday. It was a big tree. They came in and chopped it all down, took it away.
Gonna do some stuff. We're gonna put a bigger fence up here. We're gonna put maybe a little courtyard area here. And we're gonna possibly pave this and do something here. We're not sure what we're gonna do with this Wendy house. It was inherited from one of our tenants. Mike's having a lot of fun there, chopping trees. Our first task is going to be replacing this crappy old fence with a higher one. So the plan was to vlog Mike building a new fence. And he's forgot to tell me what he's doing, and he's gone and removed it already.
This was a trellis fence which has just been removed. Now I've got to get the other posts out, and then we're going to put in a solid fence. I was going to bolt a post to this post and then build a fence along here. To get a straight line, we just replaced one post for the next, But unfortunately, someone's put concrete all the way along here. I thought it was slabs because it was actually cracked up there. But it's a tree root that's actually broken the concrete.
All right.
I thought I was being able to take the fence posts out and put them in just behind. There's a great big piece of concrete there which goes back and runs all the way along the fence line, which will mean my fence will be out of alignment. I'm trying to get rid of the rotten bit of post at the bottom, and hopefully I'll be able to put some supports in there and attach my post to that.
Mike's working outside in the cold. It's having an impossible task trying to put the fence posts in. The garden is full of tree roots, which is hopeless. He's not in a very good mood, so I'm cooking up some frittata. Hopefully that improves his mood a little bit. So I don't really know how to cook. I just chuck stuff in and hope for the best.
The fence is progressing. I thought it would take me a day to take the fence down, and it took an hour. To get the old fence posts out of the concrete fixing, instead of taking half a day, it's going to take a day and a half, so it makes up for that day wasted.
Technically, you're still taking the fence down.
Still taking it down, yes.
What are you doing now, Mike?
Well, this bit of root's going to be in the way of the fence, so I was going to cut it out.
Yeah.
Just a nice simple cut. Simple as I thought.
It was going to be too much work to remove the concrete strip, so we thought we'd use the holes that were already there in the concrete, but they were too small for our fence posts. So what Mike's done is he bought these metal supports, which he's concreting into the existing holes, and we're going to attach the fence posts to these.
This morning I continue with the fence building. I'm going to put up the posts. Put in the supports yesterday. Today is going to be bolting the posts to them.
It's a bit wobbly.
Well, just don't. Every time you wobble it, you're going to make it worse.
Yesterday we had a problem with a wobbly fence post, so today Mike's going to dig a hole and reinforce it. So Mike has reinforced this pole that was wobbling. It's looking a lot better now. He's still got to concrete it in, but because we've got to wait 3 days for the concrete to set, he'll do that after he's put these railings up here. This one that was having a real wobble earlier, he's fixed. He's concreted it in, put it down like quite a long way. And he's had to reinforce this one here as well, which is solid as. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah, no wobble there now. So today he's going to put the railings up across here, put the rest of the palings up, and that's it. Fence complete. And then we need to look at what we're going to do to our crappy old gate. So we finished the fence and it's looking pretty good. Just got to reinforce one of these poles because when we put these in, it wobbled a bit, so it's got a bit of wobble. So Mike's just going to reinforce it with a couple of things here, and he's going to put some concrete into that hole. It's a little bit of wobble, but I reckon there won't be any wobble once he's done. So you put the water in,
And then put in cement.
and put in some cement.
Setting my heart filled up with butterflies. Setting my heart.
Now we just need to paint it and do something about this crappy old gate. Cheers!
Cheers.
Job well done!
Thank you. Fence now completed.
Yeah, he's done a good job. And now we don't have to worry about those stupid people who keep on looking over our fence. Weren't they annoying?
They were, weren't they?
Mind you, they can still look over the gate until we've done that. We've next job is to do the gate. So if you've got any ideas what we can do with our gate, let us know in the comments below because we don't really know what to do.